Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am excited to share with you my tried and true recipe for making the perfect potting mix. A nutrient-enriched potting mix is the foundation of healthy plant growth. This recipe is a game changer for anyone who wants to give their plants the best possible start in life. Let's start creating our perfect potting mix. First, we have soil that I sourced from an open area near my house. This soil provides essential nutrients and structure for our mix. Next, I am using coco peat made from coco coir. If you are interested in learning how to make your own coco peat, be sure to check out my previous video where I shared the recipe. Then we have sand, which adds drainage and aeration to our mix, ensuring healthy root growth. Now, I am adding vermicompost to my soil. Vermicompost is a nutrient-enriched natural fertilizer that's packed with the benefits for plants. It improves soil structure and fertility, boosts plant growth and yield, enhances soil's water holding capacity, and also supports beneficial microbes in the soil. Now that we have explored the benefits of each ingredient, it's time to bring them all together. With all the ingredients combined, I am mixing this soil recipe to create a perfect blend. And that's it. This nutrient-enriched potting mix is perfect for all kinds of plants, from indoor herbs to outdoor gardens. Now that we have our perfect potting mix, let's put it to use. I'm adding some of this mixture to this small pot. Later on, I'll plant a beautiful new addition in here. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tutorials.